Some days, I'm super productive by scheduling a good Netflix show, editing videos, and then doing a lot of work on the computer. A lot. I'm someone who likes to plan everything, so I need to plan some time for me to relax, but I also plan how much work I get done. Other days, I'm super productive by deep cleaning every inch of my room. Come clean with me as I show you how I disinfect everything. What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a deep cleaning of my room. I don't know about you, but I am actually quite germophobic and I like to do a deep clean at least once a month where I disinfect everything, wipe everything down, and also wash all my pillows. So here's some things that we are going to need today. We are going to need a microfiber towel. We are going to need some laundry detergent. This is the one that I've always been using, and I know it looks small, but only like 5 pumps makes it wash everything that I need. Next is cleaning wipes to disinfect. I like to use Greenworks. I feel like it's not as strong as Clorox and the smell is pretty good. Next is this Meyer spray. If you've seen some of my teaching videos, you would know that I use this brand even in my classroom because it smells amazing. This one's the Lavender scent. And then I'm going to have a little duster. I bought a generic brand from Target and not the Swiffer brand. Just so you know, none of those products are sponsored. Legitimately me just buying it and using it all the time in my life. Okay, let's get cleaning. So I used to never wash my pillows when I was in college. I know, weird, gross, but I thought if you just wash the pillow cover, then I figured the pillow's fine. But then I read online that you should be washing your pillows as well. So I'm just going to take everything out. When it comes to cleaning, you always want to start with taking the dust off first, then using a cleaner to clean off all the germs and whatnot. And then at the end, you can also dry it up or just let it air dry if you feel like there's not going to be water spots left over. And so that's just how I'm going to clean everything right now. I'm going to grab my phone, play a song, get this cleaning started.
Well, hey there, sexy thing. I don't want you, but I see you, and I so urgently need you. Give me a second of time, cause the recess bell is ringing. Your sweetness got me singing like whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ooh, do you really love her? Are you trying to find it? Whoa, cause I can make you crazy, make you wild. If you like it, I'm singing it loud. But you are the thing that makes me make my mind up every time. And if you wanted love, then you're in luck. You can teach me each of my parts of speech, ma'am, I simply don't give up. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ooh, do you really love her? Are you trying to find it?
Next, I'm going to Swiffer my room, and then when my pillows are done, I'm going to use these dryer balls to kind of fluff up my pillows.
Singing it loud. Now I'm singing it out. I can make you satisfied. Oh, you're always on my mind. I the same. This playful chasing drives me wild. But I'm a child, so I love games. Ooh, do you really love her? Are you trying?
And that's how I clean my room. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and let me know. Or if you know some other cool ways to clean your room, let me know that. Bye!
Open your mind, I'm singing it out. You might find some out of depth.